If you would like to limit the number of athletes in an event or a particular wave, click on the Ticket Limit section on the Registration tab during your event setup. The default state for any new event is that there are no limits, meaning that any number of athletes will be able to join any wave. By adding a limit, you can cap the number of athletes or restrict the tags allowed in a particular wave. Use Restrict These to place restrictions on certain divisions while leaving the others unchanged. Click the Create New Limit button. Select the parameters for the limit. It can take advantage of as many or as few of the options as you desire. The options you see will be whatever you added for tags during your initial event setup. The more options you link together, the more specific the limit will be. Let's say we want to create a limit on the 11U category for females to only compete during the 12 p.m. time slot, and then cap the number of athletes at 10. Select the 11U category and then select the female gender option. Click on the time slot and then enter 10 in the number of athletes box. Click Create Limit to finalize. The 11U option in your event will now be restricted to 12 p.m. for 10 female athletes. If you don't want to restrict the number of athletes allowed for this limit, check the Allow Unlimited Athletes box. All the other waves will continue as usual at this point, but you can create a restriction for any additional division if desired. Use the Only Allow These option to place restrictions on certain divisions and disable all other divisions from selection. The process for creating a limit is the same as the Restrict These category, except after you create a limit in this category, potential contestants will be unable to register for any of the other divisions if they do not each have ticket limits set up as well. In short, remember to use the Restrict These option to create limits and leave the other divisions untouched, and use the Only Allow These option to create limits and disable the other divisions from selection.